Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the filters on your Hoover Handheld stick vacuum. Cleaning the filters regularly on your vacuum cleaner is essential to maintain the vacuum cleaner's life. If you find that your filters are blocked or very dirty, it means that your machine will not pick up properly, and it also forces the motor to work harder, which can cause overheating problems and create more wear and tear. So it's essential that you clean your filter. We recommend at least once a month. Now, before carrying out any work on your vacuum cleaner, you must remember to unplug the appliance. Now, for this video, we're using a Hoover Handheld stick vacuum, but the process should be quite similar for other makes and models. Let's get started. There are actually two filters that you will need to clean in your Hoover Handheld stick vacuum. Now, these are the vacuum filter or pre-motor filter and the exhaust filter, which is located inside here. And I'm going to show you how to remove and clean each one. The vacuum filter is located inside the dust bin. To remove it, first you'll need to remove the bin by twisting it anti-clockwise. Next, remove the cap by unscrewing it in a clockwise direction. There is markings on top of the cap to help you. Once the cap is removed, you can remove the filter away from the spindle by gently lifting it out. Remove any dust or debris from both parts of the filter by hand, and make sure to do this carefully and don't use any tools with sharp edges to avoid any damage to your filter. Now, in some models of Hoover handheld stick vacuums, this filter is washable. However, in this particular model, the manufacturer's instructions advise against cleaning with water, so it's important you check your user manual before cleaning. If your filter is washable and your user manual recommends washing it under a cold tap, then you can do so. Make sure you do it thoroughly and very gently, of course, and leave it to dry for at least 24 hours before replacing back on your vacuum. If you find that your filter is damaged, then you can take a look at the link to replacement filters in the description below. Next up is the exhaust filter, which is located at the back of the motor head. Now, remove this by pressing down on the two red buttons on the back of the motor head and pulling the filter out. Then separate the foam filter by gradually twisting it off. Take your time to avoid damaging it. Again, remove any dust by hand and then rinse the filter under warm running water. Leave it to dry for at least 24 hours and ensure it is completely dry before placing it back into your vacuum. Now, similar to the vacuum filter, you will need to replace your exhaust filter around every 12 months. Or, if you find yours has become worn or damaged, you will need to replace it sooner. And you can find replacement exhaust filters for your appliance in the description below. Be sure not to use any cleaning products to clean your filters or any drying appliances to dry them, as this could damage them. And always make sure filters are completely dry before placing them back into your vacuum. So there we have it, how to clean the filters on your Hoover Handheld stick vacuum. Hopefully your machine is back up and running perfectly again. Now your vacuum cleaner is sorted, it's time to look at your floors. Now, while a vacuum cleaner is great at picking up dust, debris and dirt, it's not very good at picking up food stains. Now, for this, we recommend Dr. Beckmann Carpet Stain Remover with Oxy Action. It's great on even the most stubborn of stains, including food and drink. And you can check out how best to use it in the video below, which gives you a step-by-step tutorial. And of course, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all things relating to maintenance and advice on your appliances and fantastic repair guides. Thanks for watching.